Huh? Hey kids! Today, something magical is about to happen. Can you feel it? Something fun, something squishy, something full of surprises.
3, 2, 1.
Wait, what's this? A big jar? And inside, it's full of squishy slime. It looks so gooey, so stretchy, so fun. Oh, something is moving inside. Let's see what's coming out first. Squish, squish. From up. Look at him with his glasses and kind smile. Did you know he went on an adventure with a flying house? Where would you fly if you had a balloon house? Who's next? Let's dig again. Pop! Ha ha! It's SpongeBob SquarePants! And look! His friend Mr. Krabs is here too! SpongeBob loves making Krabby Patties. Do you like burgers too? Keep going, kids. More surprises. Squish! Oh! It's a tiny dinosaur playing football. Look at him. Kick the ball. Goal! Do you think dinosaurs played games long ago? Squish, squish. Wow! It's Stitch riding on a board with wheels. He looks so cool. Ready to zoom away. Do you like skateboards? Keep going. What toy is inside? Pop! A Labubu doll. So cute, so funny. Big eyes and a playful face. Do you think Labubu is happy or mischievous today? Wait, something big is coming. Wow! A whole pack of cars. So many colors, so many styles. Let's check them one by one. First, an old foxy car. It looks classic and smart, like a car from the past. Next, a yellow stylish car. So bright, so fast. Vroom! Would you race with it? Now look, a red vintage car. So beautiful, like a treasure from history. And finally, a red voodoo car. It looks mysterious. Maybe it has magic powers. Wow, kids, look at all these toys together. So colorful, so fun, so amazing. Tell me, which toy is your favorite? The old man, SpongeBob, Dino, Lion, Stitch, or the cars? Comment below and tell me! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and magical surprises. See you next time. Bye!
Bye-bye.